This is my Yamaha MT-15. यूजुअली मेरे जिम का टाइम है, लेकिन आई डिसाइडेड टू गो टू नीलोफर क्योंकि पता नहीं कुछ मुझे खाने का ही मन कर रहा है. हैव दैट मस्का बन एंड चाय. यूजुअली आई ऑर्डर कॉफ़ी एंड आई लॉट्स ऑफ you'll hate me saying that कि chai and मस्का बन is good, but then the coffee is best. Now my MT-15 have newly modified. I have updated this tail and looks at how beautiful it looks. Let's get started. I think we may have to put fuel today. Today our first task will be to put fuel. देखते हैं कहीं पे पेट्रोल पंप मिलता है इस समय. This is morning 5:30 AM. पिछले कुछ दिनों से मैं बस R1 चला रहा था अपने दोस्त की. And trust me, when you switch from R15 to something like this naked bike, जो relax मिलता है ना, that is something different. And I think it's with every fairing bike, any version. If you go for RS457 and then suddenly move to the RS457 Tuno, then I think you will feel that relax. तुम्हारे wrist pain नहीं होते हैं, your back is straight, and you have the similar power. Actually, when you have a naked version, you get more power at initial, and that's what is happening with the MT-15 and R15. So I think I don't have to put the fuel because I still have 2 showing up on my meter. उससे ये तो पता लगता है कि आराम से हम लोग जा और आ सकते हैं. अरे आंटी हेलमेट तो पहनो. Anyways, I'm shooting this video with DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, and most of the things I kept auto because I'm shooting in D-Log, so all the color grading and editing will be done on my computer. So सुबह के 5-6 बजे भी Hyderabad is so busy. I mean, I'm currently some internal road, but as soon as I hit the main road, you will understand that somebody is going somewhere at this point of time, which is crazy. I remember there was a day when I used to come out this time, and then there used to be absolute silence, nobody on the road. But then things have changed over a period of time, I guess. अरे भाई कहाँ से आ रहे हो? सुबह होती कि नहीं है पता है कि थोड़ा रोड खाली होगा. एवरीबडी स्टार्टेड गोइंग रॉन्ग. लुक एट दिस बाइक, लुक एट दिस. ओह माय गॉड. I think Hyderabad is still better compared to many cities, but still you will have all these kind of people everywhere. On my last video, the mic was not placed correctly, so I think all the talkings which I didn't get recorded, and I got few comments on my video, people stating कि भाई थोड़ा बोलिया कर, you will create uniqueness, but then कैसे बताऊँ उस बंदे को कि भाई माइक ही सेट नहीं हो रहा था. And though I was talking and then things didn't work out, so I have to record the entire bike thing again to ensure that at least the environment sound is there. That's okay. I hope for this video you guys can hear me properly. बहुत भूख लगी है. रात को डिनर अच्छा किया था, but I think need to fuel up something with calories, and that's why I decided that today I will be having the maskaban and chai, but instead of chai I will take coffee because I love coffee of Nilofer. कुछ अलग ही टेस्ट है. I'm a big coffee lover, but then you know for some reason that Nilofer coffee tastes different. It is way different than many other coffee. Like I like my coffee strong, but then I don't know, that Nilofer coffee have a little essence of, you know, the chocolatey and little sweet. I mean, I do ask them to add less sugar, but then अलग ही रहता है. This Pulsar 220 is trying to take off. भूल गया है भाई, आराम से पीछे हो जाएगा तू. क्या मैं करूं और इस ट्रैफिक को संभालूं? You see, it's morning 5 and 6 around, and then there are people on the road. ओ माय गॉड, ये ट्रैफिक किस वजह से है सुबह 6 बजे? I think it's just this truck. So we are almost reaching our destination. This is High Tech City. जो लोग रहते हैं हैदराबाद में, they know what High Tech City is all about. But most of the offices are here, and now it's spread across entire Hyderabad. But then initially we all used to come here and work. एक और MT-15 ग्रीन कलर में, आई मीन कैमोफ्लाज है कि ग्रीन है कि क्या है पता नहीं, बट व्हेन आई वेंट टू शोरूम आई लाइक नो, नॉट दिस वन. इट लुक्स वेरी फंकी, वेरी छपरी. So usually नीलोफर तक खुल जाता है सुबह 5 बजे, but let's see. Tuesday morning, what's the status? भाई साहब क्या ड्राइव कर रहे हैं आप सब लोग. So that's Nilofer. As you can see, we have reached our destination. एक U-turn लेना पड़ेगा to park our bike. Somehow I love this place. All the buildings, city lights, night में it looks so beautiful. I realized एक बार बाइक ऑफ करके गियर सेट करेंगे तो द गियर बिकम सो लाइट. So this is how my MT-15 will look like. It's a new tail which I upgraded. See, there's a blue light. चलो पेट पूजा तो हो गई है. ओ भाई साहब, तो मैं आपको बता रहा था कि जब से मैं 2 दिन के बाद R15 छोड़ने के बाद मैंने आई एम अगेन बैक टू माई बाइक MT-15, जो रिलैक्स फील होता है ना, दैट्स डिफरेंट लेवल. and you will understand that only when you will put yourself in the traffic, I believe. Because जब तक R15 है आपके पास एंड आप जा रहे हो खुले रोड में, यू नो, यू रेविंग इट हार्ड, it's all good. It feels amazing because the committed seating and everything, you know, fall in place right, and that's what is R15 is all about. But जैसे ही आप एक ट्रैफिक में हिट करते हो, you know, you start having pain on your wrist, and I think it's not for those who are frequent R15 rider, because I think over a month or two you will get habituated and your hands will get habituated to get that pain again and again, and then you are all fine with that. But somebody like me who's not frequent rider of R15, I think थोड़ा difficult तो होता है भाई. And I think most of you who's watching right now, if you have ever driven R15, you'll understand what I'm talking about. थोड़ी सी बाइक गंदी है आज, बिकॉज yesterday I was out and it was raining, and all the dust and mud is all over my bike. अभी घर जाके थोड़ा बाइक भी साफ़ कर लेंगे. सूरज निकल गया है थोड़ा बहुत. आई थिंक इट्स गोना बी स्टिल अ क्लाउडी डे टुडे. पिछले कुछ दिनों से हैदराबाद का वेदर भी इट्स सो गुड. It's neither raining so much, it's just few drizzle and then, you know, कुछ couple of minutes के लिए rain, and it's cloudy. The atmosphere is cold and chill. And we have seen worst weather this year, and I think this is the best one, I believe, so far. believe when it comes to bike, the moment you go above 150cc engine, you started losing the mileage, and that's when the problem starts. I don't understand why people buy something like 300 or 400cc or 250. I mean, yes, you get extra power, but for Indian roads, you really don't need that much of power. And you will also lose your mileage. Your bike almost give the mileage of any budget car. I mean, बोलना थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही होगा because I think Alto gives around 21-22 kilometer, but you still get on those bikes 35 kilometer, but then per liter. But then it's still not enough if you have to ride a two-wheeler. I believe if you really need to buy something higher cc, you should go for like 500 or maybe 600 or 400, 457, like how Aprilia 457 is. ओ भाई, यहाँ पे क्या चल रहा है इन लोग का? Everybody is so rushing towards everything and forgetting that we are creating a danger for so many people. ऑटो वालों की तो अपनी अलग से तशन रहती है. There was a time we used to come out this time and then we used to feel good कि okay, the roads are empty, the things are nice. Now अभी रात के 2 बजे या 3 बजे हो या फिर सुबह के 4 बजे या 5 बजे, you will always see people on road. And that started to, I think it's time to go out of the city to do some bike riding. Now you see it's around 6:45 a.m. right now, and then there are so many trucks and buses are already started. And you in Hyderabad, when it's nearing 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. the traffic is too huge, and I'm not sure अब बंदा जाए भी तो जाए किस टाइम पे. So I am currently making listen all this traffic sound. ओ भाई, ट्रिपलिंग का ले रहे हैं लोग हंटर पे. Alright, with that said, we are almost going to reach my home.